Cooking chicken drumsticks in the air fryer. Gonna start off with some clean chicken. Go ahead and sprinkle some of that ranch seasoning over that. Gonna use some of that Lorry seasoned salt. Follow that up with some ground black pepper. Now you can use whatever seasonings you have on deck. Go ahead and stir that all in, get that all incorporated with one another. Go ahead and get that air fryer preheating if your air fryer needs to be preheated at 380 degrees. Gonna cook this for about 25 to 30 minutes. Now I'm using some avocado oil spray in my basket. Like I said, 380 degrees for 25 to 30 minutes until done. Go ahead and place all those in the basket. I was quite surprised to see that I was able to put so many in at one time without being all on top of each other. Now you don't want to place them on top of each other because it'll be too hot to that heat element. Look at that. Look good. Boy, that look good. Go ahead and place that in the air fryer. 380 degrees. 12 minutes later, look at that. It smells so good already. Go ahead and turn them over. Get all those turned over. Oh my goodness, you should smell this. They already got brown on that first side. Now we got the brown on the other side. Get that over. Yes, indeed. Put that back in there. 13 minutes later. Air fried chicken drumsticks. Tender, juicy, moist chicken drumsticks. Get you some. Very easy recipe to do. Look at that. Just glistening. Smells so good. Tastes even better. Air fryer chicken drumsticks. Thank you.